As lawmakers are working to find a deal on lowering health care costs, President Trump justifies ending COVID-era tax credits to support Obamacare. His comments come after several Republicans broke ranks on the issue. NTD's Melina Weiskup has more.
The COVID-era tax subsidies that help pay for Obamacare expired at the beginning of the month. Senators on Capitol Hill now under pressure to find a path to address health care costs.
I am hopeful next week that the Senate will be able to put out a bill that is a compromise that addresses the extension with reforms, including income limits, insurance reforms, the elimination of zero premium plans.
Because it has to conform first with what President Trump says he wants, which, by the way, I totally agree with. And that is, don't give 100% of the money to the insurance companies who take 20% of it for profit and overhead. Give the money to the patient, and she will use.
President Trump on Sunday sought to justify an end to the enhanced Obamacare subsidies, sharing comments from the D.C. think tank Cato Institute, calling for Congress to stop talking about extending the taxpayer-funded subsidies. Instead, the think tank's health policy director calls to restore health insurance relief from Trump's first term. In the post copied by Trump, the director said, "It won't destabilize Obamacare, much simpler than what President Trump's advisors are selling him, much better to assuage the fears of nervous Democrats." The president's post comes after several House Republicans voted with Democrats to extend Obamacare subsidies for 3 years.
The People's House has just delivered a decisive victory for the American people by extending the Affordable Care Act tax credits to prevent tens of millions of Americans from experiencing dramatically increased health insurance premiums.
Though most Republicans oppose the extension, several of them told NTD it's a waste of tax dollars.
We were able to uncover through an investigation that the same Social Security number was used 125 times, the same one, to apply for these insurance premiums, and it was accepted 125 times. Wow. So we know that there is rampant waste, fraud, and abuse in that system.
Even with those tax credits in place, Obamacare premiums have skyrocketed. So they're not applying the tax credits, to keep prices under control. What we need to do.
In my view, I don't see the logic behind increasing subsidies on a known broken system, and that's what this is. So
House Republicans are calling on top health insurance executives to testify later this month. Reporting from Washington, D.C., Melina Weiskup, NTD News.